by Linhui. Tai'an, once Da'an, a wondrous town, famous for Shishan's peak, rich with hot spring sources, known for hot beauty springs. Poem by Linhui.
We're in Tai'an. What a beautiful environment. Hot springs everywhere.
The hot springs are rich in sodium bicarbonate, so they're called beauty springs. We just passed by a tile culture park.
Yes.
Many parents were having a footbath with their kids.
Nice.
They're also playing on the swings and the slide. They seem so happy.
However, besides the hot springs, there are many things here worth exploring.
Sounds exciting. Let's go! Tai'an Township, formerly Da'an, is the largest division in Miaoli with the lowest population density. It's also the only mountainous township. Due to its hot spring industry, it's also called the Township of Hot Spring. Come with us to explore the charm of Tai'an. So beautiful.
So relaxing. Director, standing on this bridge, I can really see that the buildings here blend perfectly with nature. So many people don't want to return to the city after visiting here.
What's the name of this street?
It's called Qing'an Tofu Street. Oh, it's very famous.
Were there many Hakka people here?
Hakka people account for about 30% of the population. Indigenous people 70%. Hakka people 30%.
Speaking of the indigenous people, we saw a lot of things related to them, such as this bridge. Is this related to the Atayal people?
This totem symbolizes the eyes of the ancestral spirits. The spirits are always watching over us, taking care of us, and protecting us. So it integrates Hakka and indigenous elements ingeniously,
blending them into a feature of Tai'an.
There are many Hakka elements, right? Yes. On the hillside of the Tofu Street, there's a over 100-year-old temple of the Earth God. When you climb the stairs, there are exactly 101 steps. 101!
It's Tai'an's Type A 101.
Yes, so I think we can call it the 101 Earth God Temple. A 101 Earth God Temple, very interesting and creative. The Tofu Street is very famous. What are its unique features? Hakka people call it Xishui because of its clean water. It can produce tofu with great texture. Sounds very unique. Yes. Could we please try the tofu? Let's go try it now.
We saw many things related to tofu.
Yes.
What's the most special thing made with tofu?
There's something very special. Hakka rice bowl cakes.
Rice bowl cakes.
Hello.
Hello.
These are rice bowl cakes, right?
Yes. Have you tried it before? It's traditional Hakka rice dish.
It's made of rice?
Only rice.
It looks like white tofu.
Like a dessert.
Yeah, I made it square to look like tofu. And it tastes like tofu. The white one is the original flavor. It tastes the closest to tofu. Traditional Hakka people like to eat it with dried radish, so we also add dry radish. My family also adds minced meat.
Looks delicious.
So fragrant. I'm so hungry now.
We make everything ourselves. We also add chives. Hakka people love it.
Were the cakes your staple food?
They were our staple food, and we make them sweet or savory.
Try it. Rice is the staple food for us in Thailand.
Yes, Thai dishes are all related to rice.
But we make mango sticky rice or grilled meat with sticky rice. I didn't expect to see rice dishes in different forms.
Hakka people are good at cooking rice dishes, and there are many types of them.
How does it taste?
It's very fragrant and soft. It melts in your mouth.
Even babies can eat it as long as they can eat non-staple foods. Even elderly people with difficulty swallowing and digestion can eat it.
Is it good?
Very fragrant.
Tasty. The garlic sauce makes it even better. It's creamy. Why?
Because it's purely made of rice, no soybean added. We make it creamy so it tastes like tofu. That's why we call it tofu rice bowl cakes.
Special, isn't it? Impressive.
Thank you. We inherited these traditional methods from our elders.
Very good.
This is our traditional Hakka dish.
I'll have one too. Good. Tasty.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Goodbye. See you. Bye.
I think the fastest way to know a place is to taste its local food. This is my first time trying tofu rice bowl cake. I've only heard of Hakka flat noodles before. But the Hakka rice dishes are really amazing. The rice bowl cake melted in my mouth. The texture is really special. What other tofu delicacies are hidden in Shishui-kang? Let's try them together. Wait, there's a familiar smell. Could it be?
Walking around Tofu Street, we're surrounded by the aroma of tofu.
Right.
Finally, here's our tofu. Look at the tofu. Some are white and some are black.
Yes, it's black.
It's black.
So weird.
Have you ever tried it?
No, we only have white fried tofu in Thailand. But is black tofu edible?
Does it stink more? Let's try it. Don't trick me. It's delicious. Let's try its taste.
Okay. It isn't stinky. It's stinky tofu, but it doesn't stink.
It has the texture of stinky tofu, but not the odor.
What did you add to remove the smell?
I braised the tofu. I used medicinal herbs like mesona and remania root to braise the tofu. There's mesona. Yes.
That's why it's black.
I boiled the herbs to braise the tofu and fermented them. You recommended the right spot. This is not too stinky for foreigners. I have been in Taiwan for a long time, so I can stand the taste of stinky tofu. But I have brought many foreign friends to try stinky tofu, yes, and they were reluctant to try, of course. But I'm sure they will be willing to try this black tofu. Yes, it doesn't taste like stinky tofu at all. No. I use mesona because it's the most planted herb in Hakka regions, especially Miaoli. I integrated it into the dish.
Mesona is an important local specialty.
It's also healthy and low in calories. It's very good.
Mesona is an important element of Hakka culture, and he combined it with stinky tofu to create something new and pass on the traditional culture.
If you use the water from here to cook, you only need to add salt. Really? Yes, the water is sweet. In Hakka, it's called Shishui-kang, meaning it's very clean. The river water is pristine.
You can make tasty food easily. Do many foreigners come to enjoy the delicacies?
Yes, but they say,
What's this?
looks scary. But they'll love it as soon as they try it. And then they say, can I have another plate, please? Another plate. This is really good. Yes, yes.
Very tasty. The food culture of each country has distinctive flavors and ingredients. After a short tour through the Tofu Street, we learned more about Taiwan and Tai'an. I heard that you could enjoy world champion coffee here.
Come try our coffee. Come try our coffee, our world champion coffee.
Walk this side. I'm about to fall asleep. Can we get something to drink? Do you smell something?
Come, come, come.
I heard world champion coffee.
It's free?
Really? Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. This is our coffee. Really? Yes.
Hello.
Ziliang is a judge for coffee competitions in Taiwan.
Hello.
Hello. She won 3rd place in the World Coffee event. Oh, World Coffee event. WCE.
Yes,
Impressive.
What is your expertise?
yes.
Well, let's try the coffee.
This is Taiwan's world champion coffee. This is from Alishan's Mingyang. It just won the WCE.
Thank you.
Try.
Alisan coffee has always been famous. Yes, most importantly, Hakka people have a traditional custom called tea serving. Here we receive guests with coffee. Oh, this is free. Yes, we offer free coffee to visitors. Is it good?
Yes.
I usually drink coffee that's rather bitter. Coffee beans in Brazil are mostly medium roast. Every time I drink your light roast, I'm amazed by how you're able to bring out the aroma of the beans. It's so fragrant.
I can taste some fruit acid.
Yes.
A little bit. Some sweet aftertastes.
Its floral fragrance comes from cultivation and bean roasting.
I have been in Taiwan for a long time. I mostly get good coffee in big cities such as Taoyuan and Taipei. I didn't expect to get not just good but world champion level coffee in Tai'an. My mind is blown. The coffee here is so amazing. It's roasted for about 10 minutes. It's light roasted. The aroma has come out, right? Let's try it.
Eat the bean.
I eat it. Okay, I'll try the light roast. It tastes lighter, so I will eat a few more beans.
Sure.
It's like eating chocolate beans.
It has a strong fruity aroma.
Yeah.
The citrus flavor is strong, a little sour.
Yeah,
Tastes very good.
Delicious.
People drink coffee, but you eat it.
Yes.
This is quite a special place. The house is built of stone. It has a nostalgic feeling, but there's a modern and enormous coffee machine in it. Why did you decide to start this business?
I had a cafe in the city. My parents lived in Tai'an. When they got older, I moved back here to take care of them. And I started a local business with my expertise. I used my skills to set up a stall downstairs and roast beans upstairs. And I take care of my parents. That's it.
I'm really curious. Why would you want to share your coffee with people for free? The cost must be high.
Yeah, returning to Taiwan, I have another mission. In fact, Taiwan also produces coffee. Taiwan has world-class coffee, so we want to introduce our coffee to the world and let the world know the amazing coffee of Taiwan. Small farmers work very hard, but it's hard for them to do marketing. So through my marketing and roasting skills, I can help them deliver their coffee to consumers and let consumers know them.
Without you, we wouldn't have the chance to taste these coffees.
Many people only drink imported coffee because they don't know beans produced in Taiwan have great quality.
Yes.
So I think your idea is great. Free promotion. You're investing in the future. Yes.
Yes, introducing good coffee to people.
Through the aroma of coffee, I witnessed the local people's love for their hometown and their determination in promoting coffee. After satisfying our taste buds in the Tofu Street, let's go into the mountains to explore the beauty of Tai'an.